Alrighty, boys and girls, do I have a story for y'all today? Live trading right now, and we're gonna just jump straight into it. I'm floating 25K. Yes, 25K. This is how we starting it off. This is how we doing it. High energy, high shit only. 2025, the years of the five, baby. So, floating 25K right now on GJ, and I want to show y'all live accounts, only live shit only. You can see the lot sizes. You can see everything I got. I got three 30 lot positions in there. Well, not three. I'm sorry. I got three 10 lot positions equaling a total of 30 lots. You can see one position, I'm up over 125 pips. Another position, as you can see, I'm up 139 pips. Another one, I'm up 140 pips. And this is all right here towards the bottom. Now, catching GJ in this light, bro, I kind of gave y'all the sauce literally. I mean, I'll show y'all my entries in just a second. Let me kind of just make this thing a little bit more better. Bing, bong, boom. It should be slightly above my head now, so I can show y'all my entries. Perfect, it is. All right, so entry, I got 190, 275, and 190, 100, and 190, 100. So pretty much, let's go to the land of GJ so I can break this down on how I caught this move. Literally on my Sunday breakdown, I shared where we was in the overall direction of market structure. I shared about this supply zone that turned into a demand. It went from an area of resistance over here in the past to an area of now support where it's mainly demand. You can see the demand here. You can see the break here. And I literally explained to y'all, every time we come and we connect with this zone, we do a breakout to the upside. On top of that, if we go to the daily time frame, this is also the third touch of our trend line. We have a trend line started from here, which is our point A, which y'all can see right here. This is the point A. That green eclipse right here is the point B, and then this is our point C. So this is the third and most aggressive touch ever. So now my goal was just to ride out the move until we engulfed here, doing some type of variation, and we did that last night. But breaking it down here, you can see literally where sellers exhausted. Right around here where sellers exhausted and buyers just came in for the sweep. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I had my 1 hour trend line from this previous lower high to this most recent one right here because we made a lower low after this, right? Which signifies that we're moving down in trend, right? Lower low. Then we came back and made a lower high. So I was like, cool. If we get another touch, it's gonna be the third touch and we're good. We broke this structure right here. Keywords on Friday. We did this. We broke this area right here that I just made in green that I'm going to make in red. We broke this, and then we came back and retested. So now on Sunday, literally all it took was this literally momentum. We came back. We retested the same area that we broke. We did nothing but rejections, right? Now let's get to the entry because this is the most important part. Literally, I was trying to take it off to 250. It wasn't working. Price came back in right here. I noticed that price bottomed out. As soon as we began to shoot up, like around 189, like around that area, because if I'm not mistaken, one of my entries is 190, 100, my bad. So literally, well, again, I have it right here where I marked off. So boom, price kind of came, it pushed, we retested. I saw that this low, that this one is slightly higher, so that gave me the confidence to enter. Boom, I entered on the close of a candle right around here. And risk to award. This is what I was risking for my award. Now, 36 pip does sound a bit extravagant. Really, the stop loss is going to be like around 20 because I wanted to get it under this market structure low. But because on the higher time frame, like around the 15-minute, we kept on finding support off of this zone. I just wanted to make sure that if I got stopped out, I got stopped out fair and square. But literally on the 10 lots, that's 3K. Risk 3K to make shit where I'm at now, and I'm floating. We're clearly at an area of resistance. So what I'm gonna do live on here for you guys is I'm gonna actually be closing out at 24K. It's clear that we're at an area of resistance. It's clear that I don't need to be holding this trade anymore. I broke it down on how I get it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my profits from it and just be done for the day. Appreciate y'all. Just want to make this nice, quick, and simple for you guys and show you guys how to live trade. Outside of that though, like the move, like it didn't take that much time really and truly. Looking at the move from where I was at yesterday, it literally took a couple hours going into Monday. As you can see, literally with the blast off that we got during New York session with the extra momentum. But literally and truly getting this entry right here was the easy part. I entered right here. As you can see before I closed out, I do have another entry at 275. This is where I scaled in based off of this retest over here. And everything entry-wise, where I go about looking for my entries is on like the anywhere from the 30-minute, but I actually take the entries like on the 5-minute or the 1 minute, preferably the 1 minute, so I have the best risk to reward. And you can see even right here where I got my first entry, it was kind of smooth. We literally like this. I got in, we was able to take off in the direction of trend. When I got this entry, literally it was the end of a trend, which is what I like the most. I know I got all this green shit, so I'm trying to kind of show y'all. Like you can literally see the downtrend going. Boom. We break this minor structure. I noticed that entry, boom, retest, do our thing. So my main point is getting in at high confluence areas. You can see that in this area that I talked about entry, I had a zone. This zone is a previous higher high that was doing its thing. Just like up here where I could have scaled in again if I wanted to, right? At this previous higher high where we came back at this retest at 195.00. I could have easily scaled in there again if I truly wanted to at this point in time, because we made a new higher high, or yeah, a higher high after that, and then we came back down to make our higher low. So I could have easily entered in again right here, but I just feel like riding the wave up until this resistance area right here was met, which is basically where we're at now. I'm expecting for price to kind of come back down and make a higher low to kind of break this even more. Either that or we're going to find support and continue going up. But I think my goal obviously was to ride and move all the way back up here. And that's just basically signifying on a higher time frame that we're ready to break this structure as well. Nothing more, nothing less. But again, sticking to the plan of action here, I'd say 155 pips is not bad at all. In maximum total, we're probably at 120 pips right now. Shit, I'll let the charts tell us how much pips we're at. Shit, as you can see, 115 pips, 130, 130. So can't go wrong with how much pips you're up at the end of the day. But love it, love it. This is what trading's all about for me. Just being able to grow and just being able to kind of showcase your skill set. Again, trading at this velocity and doing these lots on this account wasn't really hard for me, just because I've been using these lot size for quite the while already. But what made it all of it or more easier on my psychology was simply what I'm risking for my reward. So I took a cool 1-4 on this trade today, which is not bad at all. I took a 1-4 odds any day. As far as for the next analysis that I see based on the 1 hour time frame, because we are trading from the 1 hour as of right now, that we're literally just waiting for a retest and a continuation. This looks the best. We don't have to do this one, even though it looks the best. We could probably do this one or this one, but yeah, guys, will see probably on the next live trading session where I ended up taking it at. Outside of that, though, I lost 2K on this already. I ain't gonna play with this no more. Trades. It's time to make it do what it do, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to close these bad boys out. You feel me? It is what it is. Live trading, live shit only. I appreciate it so much because every day is a motherfucking blessing. You feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and take this to the bank. Damn, it's like I want to leave my runner because this was the good entry. I sound pussy. Let me take profits. So literally, there you go. Literally built my account from what I was at 70 something K to now jumped up almost at 100K for the year already. And this is just what we're just doing. This is what I'm focused on. GJ's gonna do his thing and come back and make a retest, and I'm gonna get in another entry and kill it. Outside of that, man, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much for this live trading today. Quick, simple, and easy, and deuces.